Some say that life is meant to be a struggle, and it never ends until you're in the box. That is absolute BS. That's absolute bullshit. There can be some struggle in your life, of course, but it's not a life sentence. There's a cure, and I want it to be available to anyone, to you. What's really true is my life is meant to be what I make of it at any given point in my life. The same is true for you, and the same is true for every human on earth, and the same is true for all humankind as a species. Life is what you, what we make of it at any given time. Hello, it's Michael Blackstone here. For the last 35 years, I have devoted my life to studying this phenomenon, human struggle. I have made some amazing and mind-blowing discoveries along the way, and I've determined it's time I share them with you. If you experience episodes of inner struggle, and one of every three of us regular folk do, the future quality of your life, your relationships, and your joy from now on and for the rest of your life depends on you knowing what I know. In my upcoming documentary, I'm going to reveal the inner workings of struggle in your mind and make connections with your everyday experience so you can see how it works in your life, how it is suffering that degrades your ability to enjoy what life has to offer. I'm going to reveal to you what is nothing short of stunning, rock your world kind of mind-blowing root cause of inner struggle. Just this hidden knowledge alone can kickstart you onto your journey to healing your mind and clearing your path ahead to living the greatest manifestation of your mission, purpose, and destiny here on this earth in this lifetime. I'm dedicated to you having all of this from here on in your life. And so lastly, I'm going to teach you the simple cure that eliminates needless and destructive inner struggle. This is all covered in the coming documentary entitled Inner Struggle, the Shocking Cause and the Simple Cure. If you're interested in having the next chapters of your life free of it, and instead creating a huge space in your life, filling it with exciting challenge, opportunity, joy, and satisfaction, then click the link in the information box below to get on the special advance notice and access list of life entrepreneurs. Yeah, you are a life entrepreneur. Click the link to get on the list, and I'll see you soon.